Hi guys, so today we are going to prepare chicken karahi, a special dish that I've tried. So let's do this. So now I've got the pan, the fork or the karahi, and I've put some oil on it. And now let's fry some chicken. We need to fry this chicken till the chicken is golden brown. Okay. Now the chicken is fried nicely. This is a little golden brown. We'll put in chilies. I've taken 4 chilies and I'm putting in 3 tomatoes. What we can do is here we can put in salt. Putting in 3 tomatoes, 3 half-cut tomatoes. I'm going to cover this with the lid and then cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's remove this. And now what we can do is let's take the Now, in the interim, I just forgot something that I like to add. And let's put in kasuri methi. Kasuri methi will give you that nice flavor. I'm taking nice kasuri methi. This is ready to eat. It's really amazing. It's nicely done. We'll just garnish this with coriander and we are good to eat.
Bye.